Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I would like to talk about why I am making videos on YouTube channel so that you all guys can know what is the personal and professional reason behind it, why I started, when I got this idea and how it can support me in a long run. So there are majorly three reasons behind it. First one is my personal growth. Yes, and my personal growth includes multiple factors. Like first one, my it can improve my communication skills, my body posture, my grooming standards, eye contact. Eye contact is really important, and it is really hard. Like if we are making our videos, or if we are just standing in front of the mirror, we are taking a topic and speaking over it. It is way harder than making a video, I believe. But making a video is really hard also. So I cannot deny it. So yes, earlier I used to think like how would things gonna work? How come I learn how to make videos on YouTube? Multiple factors are there, as you know. We have to edit, make a thumbnail, edit after making our videos also. So multiple things used to come in my mind, but I made my mind. Um, mm, in the month of September 2025, I started making YouTube videos. Like since my 10th or 11th standard, I used to think how making videos can make me feel proud. Or I used to think why does everyone make videos on YouTube? Is there any benefit or kind of something they can have? Then one day I got to know we can get paid just by putting our efforts, by making our videos. Any kind of video we can make, but there should be a genre. And my genre is speaking in English, and as well as spreading how I started. Uh, as I studied from a government board, there was no one who used to speak in English. This was really tough thing for me. Anyhow, I covered up everything, or I studied harder by my own. Even though for Hindi, there was no any teacher who used to come continuously write in mine or something. I did my own. So yes, that's how thing worked. I made my channel in 2025. In the month of September, as far as I remember, and I uploaded my first video that was a short mini vlog, yes, and that was how I improved my communication at home. And after that, multiple videos I have been making and uploading. But yes, for starting videos, I didn't get good views, subscribers, comment, likes, nothing. But I just made them. There was one thing in my mind since the starting that my main purpose will be to be a good version of myself. Like speaking in front of the camera, it's not easy, and when it comes to another language, it is way harder than our native. So this is what I did. I fought with my own self. I tried really hard. Even though if you can compare my videos like this video to the previous one, you can see major difference. You can see major difference I have been gone through, and now I can say yes. I can speak whatever comes in my mind in English. I can convert that, and that's what a native speaker or a learner should be like. So yes, that was the reason why I started videos. And there is another one also, that is I can get paid by making videos. If I can earn money, enough money for myself, for my personal and professional growth, so what would be better than this? Like if I'm earning just making videos, this is really good. And there's specific content on I am making videos like Speak English with Nisha, that is my channel's name. And I can say you, if I could improve my communication, so you can too. I have qualified from a total government board. Still, I have the guts. Since my junior standards, I have been a courageous, ambitious one. Like there used to be another ambition I carried, and I completed all of them one by one. So this was my ambition also, and my mom's ambition also too. I just see Nisha. I want to. She used to say in my junior standards that Nisha, I want to see you speak in English. I used to think like. I don't think I could ever, because it seems really hard language, or I don't think I'm, I can do that. I can do this because I have qualified from a government board. So for starting 1 year, it seemed really difficult to me. I didn't even translate the words. And when it comes to the whole structure, whole sentence, it was really tough for me, but I didn't give up. That is the only reason behind my success. Yes. So now I can say I achieved my communication by making videos, and I gained my confidence. And if I'm making videos, if hopefully and touch wood, and what do we say this? I'm not remembering. No. Okay. Please God, just tell these people who are watching my videos to like, subscribe, and comment so that I can get more confidence. I will come up with good topic so that you all guys can also get that, you know, confidence, and I can just be the better and a proud person whom I always wanted to be. So yes, that's all about this video, and I wanted to share. That's why I make videos. Personal growth, professional growth. Professional growth relates to get paid. Personal growth relates to my major skills. Those are really required to be the version what I want to be. Since the really childhood, I can say, since I remember a story. Let me tell you. I was in my sixth or seventh standard. There was a teacher in my school. She used to speak in English, and she was the one who seriously made me understood everything. She made me understand. She taught me like the exact method how to convert sentences, your Hindi sentences, in English. Nowadays, teachers don't tell this thing. And that time, she told me, Nisha, an important thing to structurize your sentence in English. That is only one. First, correct your Hindi tense, and then you will definitely ultimately get the best structure to give the uh, give the or make the best sentence ever. She told me this thing, and Master Ji, he used to be in my 8th standard. Since my childhood till his 8th standard, he used to teach me, and he taught me really good lesson of my life. That Nisha, or everyone, he was telling this thing to everyone. So let me say that this thing, that everyone, we should always get in touch with everybody, because we never know who will gonna help us anytime, anywhere, in any condition. So that's why we should not fight with anyone. And if you seriously want to fight, so just go to the war, fight for your own nation, so that anybody in this world can proudly say that yes, this is the one who fought for our country. That's the blessing, not just to doing crawling in your street with someone. This is not my cup of tea, and I don't like this kind of people also. So yes, that's all about why I'm making videos. I achieved my own version. Now I can speak fluently, speak with clarity, and that what matters a lot for a beginner, or for a person uh, like just to be your best. So I wanted to tell this thing, and I told. So yes, these kind of things which were coming into my mind along with the topic I was on, that why I started my YouTube channel. So yes, this is also everything I covered up. I hope I told you the story behind what I told you. I told you the lesson what I got from the sir of my school, and also what I got to learn from the teacher. Her name is Nisha. Yes, she was a Momdan, and she was really good. She told me structures. She taught me grammar rules in my 8th standard. Can you expect this from a really little girl who was in government board? She could ever speak in English, but I made this too. So I believe you all can do this. I'm waiting all of you to just speak your own heart, do what you want, and always stay happy, spread happiness. And yeah, that's all for today. Bye bye, and I will see you in my upcoming videos. And so sorry if I took your major time, but yes, by the next time I will make sure I contain every topic or every essential things within just 5 to 10 minutes, so that I could not make long video, because I know people do not do interest in long videos nowadays. This is the fastest environment. Okay, even though I prefer those short videos also. So that's all for today. Bye bye.